You are viewing Video Vocab. We believe in the value of edutainment. We're here to entertain you in such a way that we help you to improve your active vocabulary. To achieve this, we will use clips from movies, TV shows, and podcasts.
Connive.
I ain't too good at talking to women, and I really wanted to do you, so I brought along the love tester to help me. As you may have guessed, it's inhabited by the ghost of my friend's dead father.
Why, you conniving, devious, monstrous, despicable, sweet little angel.
But, Betty, if you just give me a chance... What?
I can't believe you went to all that trouble for me.
Put him in.
You!
Sif!
You conniving, craven, pathetic worm! You did this!
What?
Ow. I hope you know you deserve to be alone, and you always will be.
All right. A bad memory prison? How quaint.
What am I gonna do? I'm gonna live in a double wide, wait tables in Texarkana for the rest of my life? That is everything I have worked to avoid. But this is what you wanted, isn't it?
Connor free?
Yeah. To cut me out of his life. Stop. Ever since you found out he was yours. I couldn't have planned it better myself, Dwayne. I just didn't think that you were so conniving.
You usually eat with Margie or one of the other girls.
Well, you're one of the other girls.
Well, why don't I believe you?
That's because you believe in the popular notion of me as a glib, insincere operator.
That's right.
Those are only some of my qualities. Underneath, there's another me. Shy, sensitive, uncertain.
Conniving?
Right. But underneath that, there's another me. Underneath there, of course, there's public parking.
Connive. To secretly plan or cooperate with someone to do something wrong or dishonest. To connive means to quietly allow or help bad behavior, usually in a sneaky or under-the-table way. When you see the pause button on these definition screens, you can pause if you would like to keep reading. Hoarse.
Uncle Willie, come forth.
Did Mrs. Baker conjure you up?
Of course not. I've been haunting this house for 45 years. Shaking my chain, moaning myself hoarse. Oh! But they can't hear me because they don't really believe.
Yes, connect me with Tommy Yates, please. No.
Mr. President.
Where's the rest of it?
Have you read it?
No, not yet. Just this first chapter arrived.
Will you please read it first, sir? And then let's talk.
Are you sick? You sound hoarse.
Well, no, I'm not sick. I haven't slept much.
All right, I'll call you tomorrow.
I'll teach that hussy to go on a boat ride without me. I'm gonna strip her down and tie her to the bed.
Okay.
Then I'm gonna make her crawl on her hands and knees while I drip hot candle wax all over her back. And then I'm gonna gag her with her own brassiere.
Oh,
What?
no, nothing. That's all part of your diabolical plan to humiliate her.
Yes, she'll be humiliated.
Maybe you'll handcuff her. She'll hate that.
Then I shall do that as well.
And call her a...
Until I'm hoarse with rage.
Maybe smack her ass with a riding crop.
Yes, and what?
No, I mean, that would, like... That would show her.
You're getting some kind of sick thrill off this, aren't you?
Sam Malone is now a high school graduate.
Yes! Congratulations.
For what?
You passed.
Yeah, a D as in dumb.
A D as in diploma. An honest D is better than a tainted A.
Boy, I tell you, I may have my diploma, but I sure feel dumber than ever. I mean, I studied myself hoarse for that exam, and still I got a D.
His voice, it's lower than it is now.
Only there was a good reason for a professional speaker to be hoarse.
Go open a pottery studio.
Good point.
When you see a weakness, that's a time for strength. A lot of people say, oh, I feel bad about it.
The other guy made a mistake.
You bailed too early.
The other guy's having a
Oh,
bad
I get all the credit.
Chronic hoarseness is a symptom of a condition called silent thyroiditis.
Hoarse, sounding rough, scratchy, or strained, usually because of illness or overuse of the voice. A hoarse voice is weak and raspy, often caused by shouting, allergies, or a sore throat. Loathe.
When I was a new recruit, one of my first handlers
My mother,
got drunk on Romulan ale
my father,
and let slip that at the heart of the Zhat Vash mission was a deep, unassuageable loathing.
Loathing of whom?
Not whom. What?
What?
Birthday.
He stood outside his cave, hating the Who's.
Alphabetically. Adbarkian, Abacanesa who? I hate you! Aaron B. Benson who? I hate you. Hate, 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 hate. Double hate.
Loathe entirely.
This guy is nothing but a piece of crap.
You are nothing but a piece of crap.
A piece of crap.
A piece of crap.
I find you extremely ugly.
I find you extremely ugly.
Do you? You emit a foul and unpleasant odor.
You emit a foul and unpleasant odor.
Oh, is that right? I loathe you.
I loathe you.
That's it! Get out of my store!
Make us.
We're not talking about the tiger anymore.
It is never about the actual tiger with me, Warren. That's rule number one. I saw my dad on a gay dating app. Yep, living in a closet all these years, self-loathing, terrified to let his
Tiger roar. Sorry.
I was gonna say let his family know.
Yeah,
Terrified to let his family know. I mean, yours is better.
Loathe. To feel intense dislike or disgust for something or someone. When you loathe something, you strongly hate it and want to avoid it completely. Someone might yell themselves hoarse to achieve what others can connive with ease. You can loathe them or increase your vocabulary to easily compete with colorful and vivid speech. If you like this video vocab episode, please like and subscribe. We challenge you to add a comment on what you think are the sources for any of these video clips. Can you guess which movie, TV show, or podcast they come from? Each clip has the word and a clip number to help you identify it in your comments. Some are obscure, so have fun. Also, what is your favorite clip? After a week, we'll list the sources so you can see how right you were. Thought of the Day by Stephen King. Vocabulary is a writer's toolbox, the key to colorful, vivid, and precise expression.